Everything you need to install a front carrier on your Veloretti Electric 2 is in the toolkit from your bike and front carrier. Start by carefully placing the front carrier over the fender and securing it with the top bolt, which can be tightened with Allen key 5. But don't fully tighten it just yet. Secure the two front carrier arms to the left and right side of the fork using Allen key 4. Also, don't fully tighten these bolts. Once the front carrier is straightened, tighten the bolts on the left and right side of the front fork. Then you can fully tighten the bolt above the fender. Now your front carrier is ready to go.